You probably already know this, but communication is hard, especially when managing multiple tenants and properties. This is where DoorLoop's communication tools come in handy. Imagine needing to inform your tenants about an urgent matter, like a broken elevator, or something more routine, like holiday operation hours, or you want to offer incentives for referrals. With DoorLoop, you can send mass emails, texts, phone calls, or messages directly through the tenant portal to all or selected tenants in just a few clicks. One platform offers various formats for sending these announcements. Choose between email, phone, text, or your tenant portal to ensure your message reaches every tenant effectively. Improve tenant engagement with email campaigns that keep everyone updated on the latest events, offers, and announcements. These tools allow for timely messaging, ensuring that your communication is always relevant and up to date. Set expiration dates on messages posted to your tenant portal. Additionally, these tools save a record of all announcements, complete with details on when tenants viewed an email or rent reminder. This feature is a game changer, ensuring there is a traceable record and eliminating the "I never got it" scenario, because they did, and you can prove it.
I believe it's very crucial to keep clear communication, not only with tenants, but also with property owners. A lot of times, having those clear communications and setting the expectations ahead of time can eliminate miscommunication and sometimes even legal steps.
With DoorLoop's communication tools, you can streamline your processes, ensuring efficient and effective communication with tenants. Transform your tenant communication, save time, make more money, and grow your rental portfolio with DoorLoop. Schedule a free demo today.